Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Autowatch Ghost 2 to a BMW i8 2016. Customer had his previous vehicle stolen, so he's a bit paranoid. So we fitted this. How it works is every time he jumps into the vehicle, he hits a sequence of buttons, gets a double flash from the indicators, and then he can start the vehicle. So I'm going to show you that now. So basically, ignition on. Insert your push sequence. On here we'll use something very simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash from the indicators, foot on the brake and start it. Vehicle's ready. There you go. Select a gear and we can move the vehicle. Very straightforward. So basically now, so if someone grabbed his keys or cloned his keys and tried to start it by jumping in, this is what would happen. So foot on the brake, start the vehicle, vehicle starts, select a gear, vehicle ignition cuts out, can't move the vehicle. Really clever bit of kit. Also, when the car goes for a service, he can put it into valet mode so he doesn't have to disclose the code, and the way he does that is ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, and then hit the traction control button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, indicators will flash 5 times to confirm. The vehicle's in valet mode, so it means we can start it, move it, let's put it in reverse, so we can move it. But as soon as we turn off the ignition and we try to start it again, it will just start fine, no problem. There you go, vehicle's ready. Now when you receive the vehicle back, to take it out of valet mode, straightforward again, ignition on, insert your code again, double flash, start your vehicle. Vehicle's now out of valet mode. So if I turn off the ignition, leave for 5 seconds, turn it on, start it, and select a gear. There you go, vehicle's cut out. It's really clever. Also, it's got the facility that if someone sees the code and you want to change it, this is how you do it. So ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, put your foot right down on the accelerator, insert the code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. As the indicator starts to flash, take your foot off the accelerator. It's now in learn mode. So we can use several buttons. We can use this button here, this button, this button, this button, that button, that button, that one, and that one. But we're going to do something very basic. So we're just going to use, say, the plus button 4 times. So every time I push it, it's going to give me a flash to say it's on the network. When I pause, it's going to give me 3 flashes to say I've seen that code, I like it, but I want to see it again. If I put the same code in again, it's going to give me 2 flashes in the stop and it will be learnt. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, 3 flashes. Now again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash, code learnt. There you go. So ignition off now. Ignition on. Let's try the old code. 1, 2, 3, 4. No joy. So ignition off. Ignition on. New code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. There you go, start your vehicle. Vehicle ready. As you can see, select a gear and I can move it. Very clever bit of kit. Very covert. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.